But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose
All right, what's going on, everybody?
this as our goal?
Welcome back to Mass Market.
And
How's
they may
everybody
well
doing
ask,
tonight?
Why climb the highest mountain?
How is
Why,
everybody
35 years
doing?
ago,
Hopefully
fly
everybody's
the
been holding
Atlantic?
through these dips.
Why
Thank you
does
for tuning
Rice
in
play
tonight.
Texas?
See, we already got
We choose to go
4
to
or
the
5
moon.
likes on the video. Thank y'all very
We
much.
choose to go to the moon.
Thank y'all for tuning in. I see people got the notification bell set. Mr. Rick, What's happening, man? What's up, Crypto Zach?
We choose to go
Mr.
to
Crypto
the moon.
Rufio, hello, man.
But
How are you
why
doing
some say
tonight?
the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well
Hopefully
ask,
everybody's sitting out there with
why
diamond
climb the
hands right
highest
now,
mountain?
guys.
Why
I know the market's
35
pretty
years
tough,
ago
but
fly the Atlantic?
we seem to find some
Why
ground.
does
So
Bryce play Texas? We
I'm
choose
waiting
to
for a
go to
little
the moon.
confirmation still. We didn't get that
We
yet.
choose to
We
go
saw
to the
last night we
moon.
did break 2150. That's that resistance line we talked about on Dogecoin. It was really short-lived, so it wasn't really a hard true break. Got rejected
Why
again.
choose this as
Knocked
our
all the
goal?
way back down to
And they may well
1980
ask,
right here. Trying to climb
why
my way back
climb
up.
the highest
Got the
mountain?
200 moving day average
Why
at
35
2085.
years ago
So that's
fly
currently
the Atlantic?
where we're
Why
trying to
does
get over
Bryce
right
play
now is that
Texas?
200-day moving average.
We
So
choose
if
to
we're
go
looking
to
to
the
get
moon.
rejected here, which on the
We
5-minute
choose
chart
to
you
go
do
to
have a
the
red
moon.
candle coming off of it. But once again, you got the RSI heated up. You got the 14 days still hooking toward that. You might end up getting a break, maybe doing a little retest of what we saw last night. It's very possible, guys. So we'll just have to keep informed, keep together, and just know that 2150 right here is a pretty major psychological level before you head back up to 22. Because as you can see, once you got the break right there, ran all the way up 2186. So let's just go ahead and pop a line there. 2186. That's where we stopped that last one. So I'll go ahead and signify that as a level of resistance. That's where we got rejected last time. So we'll need a really hard push to get through. I think once we break that 200-day moving average, we'll be right back in the 21 cent area and possibly a 119. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys for tuning in. I know it's been a rough couple days, especially with Bitcoin doing the nasty, heading downwards, taking the whole market with it. XRP for a minute was let's check it out. Pull up some XRP real quick.
But why some say the moon? Why choose this as our goal?
I know I shifted the screen. Oh man. Oh well, anyway. It should be popping up now any second. You gotta listen to me talk over JFK. So XRP, guys, sorry about that. Little technical difficulty starting the stream. I did hit the hotkey to shift over the screens, but sometimes it doesn't work. But as of right now, we're currently on XRP trying to, same thing, get to the 200-day moving average. It's all bearish across the market. Every chart, pretty much, right now, between 5, 10, 5 and up is pretty much bearish territory, trading underneath this 200-day moving average. So as of right now, on XRP 9143 is where the 200 sits. Didn't quite get up there to test it just yet, guys. But look at that 14-day moving average hooking. This is the same, almost same scenario we saw last night before we hopped off the stream. Being that the screen did not change over, I'll hop back over to Dogecoin. That break last night, 2186, we saw the high up here. That was after the break of 2150. It was very short-lived. Lots of selling pressure right back underneath 2150. We kind of bounced off the level of support that we had on the 200-day moving average. You can see right here. Until finally we got multiple tests in this area. Came up, couldn't really break 2150 or even go up there to touch it, and then just hard sell off. Tried to come up, and just lots of selling pressure going on in the market right here. So it's nice to see we are bouncing at this level, 1, 2, 3 points, and now we didn't get a retest. We're starting to come up. That is a very good sign, but I'm still wanting to get over this area and then ultimately get over that 2150 line, because right after that 2150, there's not too much traffic in the way to hurry up and head back up to that 2187 mark. So we'll see how it goes, guys. We shall see how it goes. So Doge hitting a low of 1980 today. Let's pull up the 4-hour chart. Let's check the RSI over there, see what's going on. RSI is still super low, guys. Same setup we had last night. It just seems the past 3 nights the RSI has been super low. 24 on the 4-hour chart. 5-minute chart's probably looking a little bit, it is heating up on the 5-minute chart. As of recent, you had, that's what caused this little run up right here to the 200-day. But getting rejected is not a good sign either. But you do have bullish indicators right here with that 14-day hooking right here, hooking hard, like it's heading straight up. So you'll probably see a break. You might end up, getting rejected around 21, quite possibly, and even 21 cents even. So those will be the next two pretty good levels to get over. But 21.50 is that, I think, that little psychological level. Once we get a hard break, maybe like a 1 hour candle above 21.50, that would signify a pretty good bullish move for me right here in the short term, guys. What's up, Jason? How you doing? Hey, Matt. Oh, I got you, dude. Thank you for tuning in, man. Just catching up with the chat real quick. Yep. Everyone say happy birthday to Crypto Prophet, aka Crypto Visions. Yep. As soon as I'm done over here, I will make sure to hop in over there, man. So let's see where XRP hit the low of, guys, real quick. Let's see what's going on. 85 cents. So wow. I mean, even off that 85-cent move right there, XRP making some pretty good moves already. I mean, the charts don't look super great, but they look the same across the board. So let's go over Bitcoin, see what's kind of cooking over there, because we do have Bitcoin back above 42. All the charts look the same. You could line them up on a spreadsheet. They would look exactly the same, guys. This crash right here to 39, which happened earlier, I sent out the alert in the Discord. I said the market is crashing. I didn't mean to scare nobody. I was just simply stating that I saw a potential for a flash crash coming up, and we had a pretty decent, I would call this a little flash crash, a little short-lived flash crash, because look, we rebounded immediately off this 39,000. So that tells me right there, 39,000, it's getting slapped right back up. You have a lot of buying pressure at 39. Very good sign right there. So nonetheless, it's trying right here. It's trying to get back up there. Will this be bottom? I do not know, but I'm hoping for it. I really am, guys. I'm hoping this is dead bottom right here. I mean, we still do have some room to fall. If we don't hold this 39, which that's pretty impressive, that level we drew right there. I had it at 39.9. It hit 39.6, but it popped right back over it. So pretty good level right here. Lots and lots of buying pressure. So I would get pretty concerned if I see a break below 39, which is very possible, guys. Bitcoin can move very fast and very quickly. Never forget that. It can affect the whole market. Bring it down with it. But this right here on the 4-hour chart is looking very bearish, guys. We are way underneath the 200-day moving average, underneath the 50, and you got the 14 trying to chase it. So it's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now, guys. Hopefully this bounce right here will signify some type of consolidation area that we can find right here, because this 4-hour chart's just straight down. That's not what you want to see when you're looking at Bitcoin. So check out some ADA. All I'm saying is, no matter how hard, what happens, I'm holding. I don't care how hard I get jerked around the market. And that's a hypothesis of a lot of people in the market right now. They're thinking that everyone's trying to shake the retail investors, the whales, right now. So it's possible, man. They might want to shake everybody before it rips. I mean, we came from $3 on ADA all the way down to $2, 197, whatever the bounce was right here. I'm hoping this is bottom right here. Hopefully we can consolidate right here and then get ready for another run up past that $3 mark. I know these dips are, they're scary for people. They're holding lots of money in the market. The market's not doing too hot, but it's the same thing across the board. The 4-hour on ADA is sitting way up here at 260 right now. We are way underneath that. That is super bearish territory right here, guys. So just keep in mind we are in bearish territory across the board, which means it could go either way. The bears are in control right now, so you'll see what it kind of feels like to be in a bear market for quite some time. But nonetheless, the market's okay. It can rise back just as quick. We did have some FUD come out today about the government cracking down on exchanges or assisting with hackers. That was a little bit of FUD. I think that's what kind of caused this little drop down right here that we saw earlier, that last little flash crash. But I had another news piece I want to go over. Dogecoin was experimenting with the crypto wallets finally. This is something our teams are working on. We've been hearing that, but pretty much talking about much anticipated move. Trading app Robinhood is currently experiencing and unveiling a crypto wallet to give users the options to send and receive popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on its platform. Doesn't necessarily say nothing right here about Dogecoin, but it goes further in here. And there's been a ton of enthusiasm for the crypto community and the Dogecoin community in particular. So good sign, guys. Very good sign. Let's see what else they go on to talk about. Yeah, they're not really talking too much about any hard dates. They're just saying they're working on it, giving an update. I mean, it's is what it is. So when the crypto wallet is released, though, users can expect to join a wait list for the feature. So there you go, man. They are working on it. So that's a good sign for Dogecoin, definitely. I can't wait for it. I know a lot of people. I see Zach in here saying he can't wait. So I'm all for it, man. What's up, Kryptoneer? You guys think crypto coins could help stabilize our planet? Yes, I do, my friend. I do. Thank you for tuning in, man. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for me, guys. If y'all could just slap that like button for me, that's all I ask for over here. Greatly appreciate y'all rocking with me. What's up, Josh? What's up, everybody? Jason says, I've been sad looking at my losses in the charts, but I pulled myself together and bought more on the dips to average down for bigger results later on. That is a good move, Mr. Jason Gregory. It's exactly what I'm doing, man. And there's the man right there, Crypto Profit. The original purpose of the crash that started back in May 8th was to shake loose all the small retail investors. Not sure when enough is enough with these whales. Yeah, a lot of people are thinking this is the last shakeout before they let Bitcoin rip. They're just making sure all the paper hands are out. That's the guessing behind this situation. But Crypto Profit, man, happy birthday, man. I don't know how old you are, but happy birthday, my friend. I'm still quite certain that crypto is going to be the future to all. I feel a lot of places will be accepting crypto as payments. When one of those does, it will be more. More will follow. Domino effect. Yeah, we just need some of these bigger companies to start accepting. I mean, damn, dude, the news broke on Litecoin that was fake for Walmart, and that it should have raised more red flags with me, of course, because Walmart doesn't even accept Apple Pay right now. So that something like that, a big mass adoption from a big company would be what we need to really get moving. I really do think. Because right now we're just trading sideways, getting beat down. We'll have a good month, and then it just totally erases all the gains you had. But we are talking about dips for ADA on 205 right here. Dips to Bitcoin on 42. Dips on ADA below $1. That's pretty significant, guys. Really significant. I mean, just the other day we were talking about Litecoin at 180, and we are sitting at 152. And I'm frustrated with the market over these 5% dips every day. 2%, 5%, 4%. I mean, it's just across the board just getting beat down. When's the green days? I'm hoping that soon, guys. The market is stabilizing, I do believe, at this area. And hopefully we can start heading back up from this point on. But it might be some sideways trading for a couple days. We'll have to see. No one can predict it. No one knows what's going on, what these whales are doing. But they have shaken the market. They have done their job. If you've thought about selling in the past couple of days, they have done their job. They're trying to shake the retail, and that's their main purpose right now. CP is a legend. Big 5-1. Happy birthday, man. Thanks for tuning in on your birthday, man. Yep. Couple of negative articles, man, but nonetheless, they can't stop crypto. You know, they can knock it down for a bit, get good buying opportunities for their friends. They can't stop it, man. Even though that Walmart thing was FUD, it did open my eyes to what crypto will do when the real deal happens. That is 100% true, Mr. Jason. As soon as we get a big deal coming out with one of these major franchises, you best believe crypto will absolutely react accordingly to the green side. You'll make some pretty good profits just off the news. And that's why it's important, you know, when you're sitting through all these dips, especially if you're way in the red, you don't sell until you lose. And the best way to kind of average down from everything is to average down. Just, you know, put in whatever you can afford to put in the market. And if you get stuck, just try your best to average down. You'll have that many more coins when this thing comes back. It's the same cycle over and over and over again. With Dogecoin, it seems. Maybe we get to a point where we start selling the rips. I'm holding for $1. Will we get there this year? I do think so. If I see we stalling out on this next run we're about to get ready for, of course, I'll let y'all know what I'm doing. But like 8 at $3. I saw it stalling out at $3. And to be quite honest with you, the TA guy inside of me was screaming, you know, hey, get rid of it. But, you know, I still think it's going higher this year. So I'm not going to risk it. As of right now, just trying to swing trade. I'm a hodler right here with quite a bit of my coins, but I do have a swing trade account. So I'll do my best to update everybody and try to make some tendies across the board right here. Because I'm hoping right here that we're kind of seeing some type of bottom across the market, guys. I really do feel like we're getting close. I don't think they're going to continue dropping this thing. You know, it's really scaring a lot of people, and they don't want to scare everybody out, but they just want to scare the weak paper hands out. You know, if you can't live through the red, then you won't live to see the green, guys. That's pretty much how they treat it. So what up, One Shot GT? What's up, man? What's up, Bulldog? Buy low and buy low again. That's the strategy. No more buying high and selling low. We don't do that here. What's up, Ben Cadillac? Good to see you, man. Yeah, there's space enough for everybody, man. You are right. You are correct about that. But for the day, Dogecoin's really not down that bad. 0.95%, guys. That's really not bad. After the day we had today, I mean, not even down 1%. So I know that little crash earlier, you know, especially after the past 3 days, kind of been affecting people. It'll be okay. I think we're stabilizing here. I think we're really close to bottom here, guys. And take that for what it's worth, but that's just my opinion right there. ADA right here, down 2%, 204. It did dip below $2 today. I think it hit like 191 and then bounced really back really quickly. So that was good to see. I'm not expecting ADA to be down for long. I'm expecting some pretty good moves with ADA coming up, just with the smart contracts alone. Stuff will get released off the ecosystem, and there'll be some pretty good pops here, I believe. Hopefully Bitcoin 40K, that'd be the short-term bottom here. XRP was just surprising the hell out of me every single day. 85 cents on XRP. Even if you would have bought the dip somewhere around 86, 87, you're already back to 90 cents, and you're down 4% on the day. Hopefully that news for XRP lawsuit comes out pretty shortly. Let me check my updates right here. I didn't even look up nothing about XRP today, so I didn't do my DD on XRP today. The only thing that came out was a judge denies Ripple's motion to have SEC employees' crypto transactions disclosed. No real news on the lawsuit itself. So I'll keep you guys updated. Of course, I'll be watching it. I'm watching it like a hawk. I just didn't check up on it too much today because there hasn't been any real news going on with it. So we shall see. Vet already works with Walmart in the real world. Surprised it hasn't blasted off yet. Jason, you got in a Doge around 70 cents, man. Right before SNL. That's crazy, man. And here you are, still holding. That's what's up, my friend. Matt, 2 IPO releases tomorrow. Cool, man. Do you know what they are? Is that crypto mining stock release? I can't think of the name of it. Argo. Let me know in the chat, man. Ben Cadillac says I averaged down there as well. Still got my 60 cents. Still planning on making money on it eventually. There you go, my friend. Got a bunch of people in here that bought high. I'm surprised, man. Good for y'all, man. Y'all doing the right thing, averaging down. If you're a long-term hodler, you just buy low, continue to hold. A couple years, you'll never sit in the red again, hopefully. Bitcoin mining stock and HLTH, yes, Argo and Health. Okay, cool. Yeah, I heard about those. I'm not playing either one. Argo's a little expensive for me. I think last time I checked, it was around $14. I'm bigger in the hut. That thing is probably gonna. Who knows? We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm expecting it to go down. It'll probably go up. I don't play IPOs. I'm just not lucky. I guess I'm just really not lucky when it comes to IPOs. I stayed away from Robinhood, and you see what happens. Any IPO I play, it'll crash to the floor. I didn't touch Robinhood, and look what happened. Went to $77. That's a perfect prime example. I don't touch IPOs, and not financial advice, but if I don't touch it, it's probably going to run. So, but that's just a joke, guys. I have no idea what it's going to do. Just putting that out there, though. It is ironic how I don't touch an IPO, and that thing just rockets. So, what's up, JR Blanco? JR, I think I've seen you in here before. Let me know, man, if you're new to the stream, bro. Let me know. And Cadillac says seems like a good time to short a crypto mining stock IPO. My luck, it would reverse on me. So I don't short stuff. I just long it, hold it, swing trade some stuff. But you know, as of right now, we just currently in the waiting game, playing the waiting game. You know, 4-hour chart just really hard sell-off days. 5-minute chart, we're getting rejected off the 200-day moving average. So possibly a retest of 2051 coming up here shortly, guys. I'll pop this right here because that is a small level of support right here. Let that ride for a little bit. Yes, Bulldog. Especially Robinhood. You can't even sell their IPO if you pre-bought it without being punished with 2 months of no IPO buying. I was stuck at 57 Doge. That huge drop to 16 cents helped me average down big time. Then IOTA. I got you, Jonathan K. Yeah, I thought you have JR Blanco. It's just been a while, my friend. HC2 says new to the stream, dude. Hey, man, thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you decide to hit that subscribe button. Stick around with us, man. We'd love to have you. In my defense, I was listening to other YouTube channels on buying Doge high before SNL. That was way before I found Bulldog and Matt. To be quite honest with you, Jason, I was buying Dogecoin pretty high myself, man. I bought some for the night Newegg announced that it was partnering, accepting Doge. I bought that night. That was right before SNL. And then I bought SNL after the crash, thinking it was going to rebound. I'm still sitting up on Doge overall, but I did buy more for the cause. Nobody knew SNL was the in for it, that being the top right there. So I was buying high too. I wasn't preaching anybody to buy high, but I was buying high. After the crash, like when everything shut down, all the platforms shut down, my order disappeared, man. I had no idea where it was at. It actually triggered in the middle of the chaos, and when the platforms came back up, it triggered for the worst possible price, and Robinhood did get me on that one. They did, so they got me. But it's all good, because sometimes they help me out when the market's in a little bit of a turmoil and the rest of the platforms aren't letting people buy. I can usually get through on Robinhood, so I can't knock them 100%. But just how it goes, man. Yeah, whoever was hating on Elon tanked it. He didn't tank it. But, yep, it did tank on SNL. Yep, sure did. Yeah, I thought it was inevitable too, man. I honestly thought we were approaching that $1 mark on Doge, man. I really did. Jonathan K, throwing some love, dude. Thank you, man. Well, we got y'all in here, guys. Everything we do over here is free, but if you could do your boy Matt a favor and just hop over there and gently tap that like button for me, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. We're not going to be rocking too late, guys. Just wanted to hop on, touch base. We did talk about Doge, that 2150 level. If y'all guys just tuning in, we talked about that last night. We did get a bit of a break, but it wasn't what I would call a true hard break. And we hopped over it and then got knocked underneath it. Tried to retest it here, got knocked down, couldn't get back up. So 2150, pretty good level right here. I do think, I put that line at 2186 beginning of the stream because I do feel like once we do get that little break over 2150, we'll probably shoot back up to retest that pretty quickly. And that would be a pretty good break right there. Other than that, 22 cents is your next level after that. I think it might be looking at the same little setup we saw last night, and I'll show you right here on the 4-hour chart. The RSI was doing the same thing last night, and it's currently sitting at 24, so way oversold still. And that's coming off the heels of that little market FUD about the government cracking down on exchanges working with hackers. So that was some FUD that came out today on Dogecoin. So let's get back to the 5-minute chart, see what's going on. Catch up with the chat real quick. Look up videos on how to have diamond hands. That night, SNL will probably live in infamy forever with me. SNL was a big night. It was the night, Elon broke the internet, Did break for a little while. Not the internet, but all the exchanges broke. Pretty cool night. I'm sure eventually one day I'll be watching a documentary on this whole Dogecoin deal and cryptocurrency, coming up. And it's going to be cool. That'll definitely be one of the highlights of that clip. Making history, guys. That's what we're doing here. I sure hope October will be green for Doge, Matic, and ADA, the three I hold. I hope it will too, man. I think October is going to be a pretty good month for us. I really do. I think it'll be like the time throughout August, kind of how it was for us. I think we'll start heading back up, man. Yep. What's up, Crypto Critter, man? Thank you very much for tuning in, my brother. Good to see you, man. Matt, do you think we'll see any green days this week? Man, I hope tomorrow's green, man. I do, man. All bullshit off aside. I'm looking toward the later end of the week, which tomorrow is hump day. I understand that, but I'm thinking Thursday to Friday, man. I think Thursday and Friday, possibly heading into the weekend, maybe some sideways trading. I think we'll get a 2 to 5% day between now and this weekend, man. And and that's me kind of hoping that this is a little consolidation phase, sideways trading, and just trying to reload and get back up, work our way back, all the way back up from where we came from. So. What's up, Clown Baby? Yep, bloody week, man. Bloody week in the freaking market. Been Cadillac calling it's another good day to buy. Guys, there's a lot more upside than downside right now, I feel, on a couple coins. Doge for sure. Let's see what else we got. I keep setting lower limits on averaging down the vet I got a few days ago. So, Ben, how did that go for you, man? I knew last night you were talking about taking some 8 out and getting some vet. Did something actually trigger for you, man? Please let me know. I was thinking about that today. I was supposed to action in the Discord, but I was super busy today. But I was thinking about that, man. In 2017, Bitcoin dropped 40% in September and then ran 500% after to the end of the year. And that's a repeat of the bull cycle, man. That's what I'm basing this last pretty good push off of this year, Clown Baby. That's solely plus sentiment. I do think it's going to be a pretty good push, man. I'm not saying 500%. I'm not saying a percentage. I just think you'll see significantly higher prices across the whole crypto market. Hey, just staying as dreamer to a 50K Bitcoin. Hey, that's cool with me, man. I know who you are, man. Slow pumps, baby. Slow pumps. And there'll probably be some slow climbs throughout the rest of the, week and a half we got, a little less of September. I'll be glad when September, I don't want to remember September anymore, guys. I want October. Clown Baby said, dude, bought the dip on Ethereum. The Ethereum absolutely getting destroyed out there today, guys. 28.63 coming back, but 26.49. That is absolutely mind blowing to me. I just hit my mic. I was so mind blown right here. But it was down significant. That was getting close to where I bought back when I was on vacation. Back in July? Yeah, it was back in July. That is just, wow. That's crazy. So hopefully we're working our way back up from this point. That's really what I'm hoping for. Where'd you get in at, Clown Baby? If you don't mind me asking. What's up, Jen? Not even mad. It's like the market knows I'm ready to get back in and buy now. Might be looking at some pretty good opportunity. Yes, dude, I am excited about AMC accepting Doge. They put out a tweet. Adam Aaron put out the tweet today, talking about, they are accepting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, a couple other cryptocurrencies, and he specifically asked about Doge. I think I hit him up about it. I'm sure millions of other people hit him up about it in the past, and he's taking notice, like he said he would. You know, he looks at Twitter. You know, retail investors own the stock, so I don't blame him at all for looking at the sentiment on Twitter and coming up with that assumption for Dogecoin. So I do think it will be accepted. So far, the poll on his page was like 72% for yes, definitely you need to. They had some haters out there clicking no, but it is what it is. You know, I do think they'll accept Dogecoin. Will it be a big pump for Doge? Maybe. You know, it's tough to judge stuff like that. I don't think that's going to be a major factor for Doge, but it is a company nonetheless accepting a cryptocurrency. I'm all for that, man. I am 100% for it. Plus AMC, AMC has a special place in a lot of people's heart, and just combining that with Doge, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So. Yeah, I got the ADA to USDT and 212, then got VET at 0.95 and 0.87. Awesome, man. So you still holding your ADA? You got you some VET? Good deal, man. I will not sell Doge until $1, and then I'll sell for my profits and leave my initial investment in, ride it again. Yeah, I'm kind of there might be a point when we're getting close to $1. I don't know, man. It's a hard thing to say what I'm gonna do. Will I sell a little bit prior? I think a lot of people have their eyes set on $1. They'll probably sell out. But if it rips past $1, that you can throw all that out the window. So we'll see when that time comes. It will come. That day will come. It's just right now, we got some pretty good levels to get over. We need to get the market back on track, guys. That is what we're waiting for right here. We'll see in the next while whether it was a good move, but it was only 10 to 15% of my ADA. I switched over. That's not too bad, dude. If you like VET, you believe in it, man. All for it, dude. I think VET will hopefully be back to somewhere around 20-24 cents by the end of the year, man. So that's just what I'm thinking with it. Hey, clown baby, dude. You just made me crack up, man. You're a funny dude, man. You're a funny guy, man. Clown Baby says 100K or higher by the end of the year, 10K Ethereum, and the 500 Litecoin. Oh, man. I'm sorry, man. It's just funny. I do still have my one Litecoin, Clown Baby. It's not going nowhere, man. I'm holding that for you. I'm just not used to seeing huge price predictions for Litecoin, man. But now, hey, dude, you see those numbers in the year? You'll have Litecoin around that area, man. That's funny, though. I got Ethereum at 27. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Andre P says, Link and Mana are both tempting. I like some Mana, man. I like them both. Quite honestly, I don't have a big amount of either, but I am holding a little bit of both. Both definitely some good plays in my opinion, man. Yep, Dreamer says I got some Mana, cool company. I'll buy a ticket with Doge the day they make it possible. Oh yeah, dude, I'm all for it. I'll be in there buying snacks and popcorn, all that good stuff. JR Blanco says daily chart still looks bearish. Yeah, the whole stock market's just been getting hit. We had that FUD with the Chinese company defaulting on a bunch of real estate. Just a bunch of FUD in the markets, man. Bunch of FUDs. I had been scalping Litecoin and Ethereum Classic to buy Doge and AMC. Now, as far as Doge, I've been dipping into my pocket as of late since the crypto isn't doing anything. So Litecoin, Ethereum, Classic sucks for me. Hey man, it doesn't suck if you stacking up on your Doge, you'll be fine, man. When it goes to take off again, hopefully on this ride back up, we'll start breaking back into that 40 cent range, maybe even possibly a 50 cent retest. Selling 90% of my Doge at $1. I think it will go past $1. You see what I'm saying, Clown Baby? Lots of people think Doge is gonna go. A lot of people have a sell price for $1. So, like, if you know it's coming, why not just, maybe $98? Not well, $98, 98 cents. Maybe $98 one day. But maybe get in if you are looking to sell around that point. Maybe, cent or two off, before it hits $1, and then sell some, save a little bit for $1. I have a 08469 order for a little more vet, seeing if it triggers tonight. Cool, man. That's a possible W money, man, this year on that. Cool deal, man. No, I know, Clown Baby. I'm just messing with you, dude. I'm just messing with you, man. I hope it goes to 1,000, man. I'm not lying. What's up, Josh? Hello, I bought the novelty crypto coins from Amazon. I'm holding the Litecoin all day, actually. There you go, man. In terms of indispensability, Litecoin would be at the top of that list. Yeah, I'd agree, man. Odie Fro, what's up, man? I never touched VThor, man. Are you holding some VThor? I just never looked enough into it, man. I've been, seeing it on the radar every now and then, but I just never purchased in the VThor, man. Time will tell. People, the tech is really new. Lots of possibilities are being looked into. Oh, if you're talking about crypto, yeah, Ben Cadillac, that's just my thought process, man. Like, there'll be tons of selling pressure around $1, I believe. It's just what I think, man. I think in the next 3 years, Doge will be close to $2. Maybe even higher, man. Who knows? No telling where it'll be in 2 years. The thing about these bull cycles is crypto usually. You can go back and look on the charts. Crypto loses 85% of its value. Where would that put us? It's how high will we go before we retrace 85% if we follow the same pattern? That'd put Dogecoin probably a lot higher than $1. So we'll see what happens this year. I'm still expecting one good push, guys. That's just it. I'm not going nowhere. I think it's coming. I think the whole market's going to experience some pretty cool stuff. But the bear market is coming, guys. Just remember that. It's not like this forever. Crypto profit. Yep, but I do believe blockchain is the future. I've been in and out of it. VThor has told me okay, a friend told you about it. Yeah, I don't even know if they have a community. I'm sure they do behind VThor. I just don't ever hear too much about it, dude. And a big thing about cryptocurrency is just sentiment. People talking about it, getting excited about it. I have heard about it. I have heard people talking about it. It's just not something that I hear of quite often. And it wasn't enough to spike my interest. But to be quite honest with you, man, you bringing it up tonight did kind of spark a little interest in it. So, like, that's how my brain works. I got a pad right here. I'll write down VThor. And while I'm doing my DD, man, I'll take a look at it, man. I feel like some of these coins will die off. I mean, there's only so many shades of blue, right? Josh, that's 100% true, man. Coins do disappear, man. They do go to zero. They go to nothing, and you'll come to find that throughout the years, man. I mean, solid coins where people invest a lot of money into go away. The biggest one you probably heard of, BitConnect, man. I mean, that was a perfect example of the risk involved in investing in cryptocurrency. I had a buddy, he was dumping weekly into BitConnect, and he was part of that staking program where you couldn't take your coins out, and then a bunch of shit hit the fan. They released the coins to everybody on the same day. The price crashed out, went to nothing. So that's part of the risk involved in investing in cryptocurrency, man. That's why I saw that algo staking thing where they were offering 45% APY to stake it for 3 months. That's a lot, But I tend to stay away from stuff like that. That almost too good to be true type scenarios. How can this legendary bull run everyone's talking about? I mean, we're running out of time. I don't understand, Josh. Put it like this, my brother. Bitcoin was trading at 52,000 2 weeks ago, and it flash crashed $10,000 to the downside in one single hour, my friend. $10,000 in one single hour. I understand the year is running light. We only have a couple months left in the year, but one single hour, 10,000. If it would have went north 10,000 bucks on that same day from 52, you'd be sitting up there almost at the all-time high on Bitcoin. That's how fast Bitcoin can move when it goes to go. So just keep that in mind, man. We saw Litecoin, the fake news from Walmart break, and Litecoin shot up 40% in a matter of 10 minutes. Crypto can move extremely fast. So that would be how you would see a scenario like that, my friend. Yeah, I can't seem to find anyone who knows enough to make me want to hold on long enough to it. Thanks for the thoughts. Yeah, man, I'll look deeper into it for you, Odie Fro. I sure will, my friend. I know where to find you when I go through my DD, man. But that's how you find stuff, man. You come across some hidden gems, man. People pop in, they say, "Hey, man, what about Vthor?" And I'm like, "Well, I hear about it, but I never really did too much research into it." And that sparks an interest right there, man. I heard people talk about it, but I never paid no mind. But when someone comes in here and they drop it, and I've heard it before, and I don't know much about it, that intrigues me to go find out about it, man. So I will let you know, my friend. Oh, cool, Dreamer, dropping that knowledge already, man. Let's see. Yep, look at the history from 2013 and 2017. You'll feel better. Go take a look at it. Dreamer says, Algo just signed a 5-year, $100 million deal with a drone racing league. I did see that, man. Working on ticket purchases, merchandise, and NFTs, also VR gaming. I'm not against Algo, man. I'm really not. That 45% APY is just, you have to stake it in an Algo wallet. It just seems too good to be true, man. So I'm gonna watch for the next couple months on the sidelines for sure, man. With that type of news. So if you're in it, best of luck to you. I don't think it's nothing. I don't think it's a horrible investment at all, dude. I'm just anything like that. I'm just kind of weary of it, What's up, Bear? Good to see you, man. What's up, Matt? You think Peep's pulling out of crypto for tax purposes since the physical year ends in October? Or it's not like the stock market? Nah, man. I think it's multiple other reasons, man. I think retail investors are getting scared. I think the whales are manipulating the market. I think personally, man, this is just my personal opinion. I think the whales are trying to shake it one more time before they let it go. You know, they got excitement back into the market, didn't let it run up to the all-time highs. People were super excited, and then they crashed it back down again. Yeah, it plays with people's head, man. People, if they weren't tired of it now, you know, they're getting to their wits' end, man. Good to see you, Bear, man. I haven't good to see you in the chat, man. VThor is a gas coin used for fees. Cool. Like that gala I started talking about 3 days later. I'm getting thank yous from people that doubled their money in a day. Felt good. Yep, definitely, man. That's all it's about, man. You start hearing stuff, and then you see it popping, man. It takes a community to process all this information, man. It is a lot of information. Tron, that's my sea biscuit. There you go, man. Also, guys, I got some pretty cool shirts I'll be releasing possibly this weekend. I'll keep y'all updated on that. Probably giving a few away, so I'll let everybody know. But, guys, as of right now, Doge at 26.5 right now. Down almost 1% on the day, pretty much 1%. That's not too bad. I'll take that. ADA down 2.43%, 204. Bitcoin 42,123. XRP 90 cents. Hit a low of 85 cents. That's extremely low on XRP. And Litecoin starting to climb back. So as of right now, 2150 still that level on Dogecoin. I'm still waiting for a good 30-minute candle above that level to possibly signify a break. Let's see if we got that 30-minute right here. So that's a prime example right there. That was that 21.86 run. Remember, a significant break for these. Usually on the short term, I use the 5-minute, but you can look at the 30-minute right here. Open and close above it, that level of resistance. You didn't get it. You got a candle that started below it, went above it, and closed above it, but the next candle right after went right below it and closed. So that would signify a bit of a false break. I know it's the 30-minute. I tend to use the 5-minute, guys, most of the time, but the 30-minute is also pretty, like for a trend reversal, I start looking at the 30-minute, possibly the 1-hour chart. So keep that in mind when you are looking for a little bit of a reversal, right, going on right here. But looks like we could be looking to let the RSI cool off a little bit, guys, and look to head back above that 200-day moving average. Hopefully getting Doge back somewhere around 21 cents by the time we wake up in the morning, if nothing significant happens. If we continue on this trend that we're on right now at this very moment, I do think we'll eventually get this break over this 200-day moving average, which is currently sitting at 2082. So hopefully we'll wake up to a bit higher on the Dogecoin. Guys, I don't know if everybody in here is actually part of the Discord, but give me a second right here. I'm going to pop the link, and we will get everybody a free invite to the Discord. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, there's a free link to the 100% free Discord. Guys, we'd love to have you join if you're not in it already. We send updates every time we go live. Love to have you in there. Let me see. So let's see what happens tomorrow, guys. Hopefully tomorrow will be a green day. I'm expecting a pretty good 2 to 5% green day between now and the weekend. I do think we're nearing bottom if we haven't hit it already. Hopefully we'll start pulling out this road range, guys. But market is starting to stabilize within this range. Very good sign to see. So let's keep it going, guys. Keep your head up. Just know if you're holding, I'm holding. I'm not going nowhere. If y'all need me, I will be in the Discord, guys. And then we'll be looking for a green day tomorrow, be quite honest with you. We'll try to spice some stuff up. And like I said, I'll be dropping some shirts, guys. Hope be a pretty cool thing. I don't want to reveal anything, but it's some pretty cool shirts. So I'll let everybody know about that as well. Josh, let me catch up with the comments real quick. I respect your opinion. However, I have to take the opposite stance and believe we're in the final stretch of FUD. Hold true and yeah, Josh, I agree with your comment about if you don't sell, you don't lose, man. I mean, that's 100% correct. I'm trying to I respect your opinion. However, I have to take the opposite stance and believe we're in the final stretch of FUD. Hold true, and we will see new highs. I do think we're close, man. I do think we are close if we haven't hit bottom already, man. Just so I'm clear, I just wanted to make sure I was clear on that. I do think this is getting pretty close to bottom, man. No one can predict it. If the whales come in and flash crash this thing, that's unpredictable, man. But I do think sentiment-wise, we are pretty close to bottom, man. That's right, Crypto Profit. There's always going to be FUD. Shiba up 5% for the week, even on the day. 1 hour is up 1%. Yeah, I'm still waiting to get an entry on SHIB. I'll let everybody know when I do, but I am looking to get an entry. So if someone sees a good time, y'all let me know. Drop the F-bomb in the Discord, man, today. Hey, man, it's all good, man. People get frustrated with these crashes going on, man. I got aggravated myself, dude. I saw it happen again. I'm like, dude, another day, another one. But it's all good, my friends. Let's hope it's hopefully we have a green day tomorrow, I'm not expecting it, especially the way the trend has been, but green day would be refreshing for my eyes, and I'm sure millions of other people. So let's hope for a green day tomorrow, guys. We'll be reporting it, see where we're heading. We see the prices we're looking at right now. If y'all need me, I'm in the Discord. I'm still expecting Thursday, maybe even Friday to be the next green day, but hopefully for tomorrow, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in tonight, guys. If y'all new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. Greatly much appreciate it. And on your way out, if you could, slap that like button for me. Just kind of helps get the channel out there. So thank y'all very much for tuning in. Crypto Profit, man, happy birthday once again, my dude. Very good to see you in the chat, man. Happy 51st birthday, my man. Here's to many more. So much love, guys. I got to go spend some time with the family, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. One more for my boy Bear. We'll forget this feeling when the market shoots up 45%. You're exactly correct, my boy Bear. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Peace out.